guys, this is Carly
and Ella.
Today we're gonna be making gigantic slime bubbles.
Yeah, this is my slime, but I split it in half, and it used to be very big, but I split it in half with cardboard.
Oh, you want to check out my poop slime? Poop, all poop. I know you guys think that's kind of yucky, but yeah.
Hey, that was
I get
mine.
the bigger one. What? Yeah. No, pooping. Okay, so Ella's gonna go first for slime. That's number one. Oh, and guys, comment down below who has bigger slime bubbles.
Tell Daddy about my steak.
Go, Carly. I said go. Carly?
Cole, put her back!
I haven't felt it yet.
Put that back now!
Wait, that one
Cole, put it back!
You were playing with mine. Ready?
I'm just practicing right over here.
Are you posting this? Making a YouTube video.
Whoa!
Chelsea said
Wait, remember Chelsea said
that
no
was my
faces?
bubble.
Carly? Chelsea said no faces. No, I'm
You don't even know we're posting it, Cole. Okay, now I have 3 more turns. Carly's not even at me. Have it like more down because I can't even see the bubble.
How was school today, Carly?
good.
Hold on.
Ah! Dad!
That's awesome. Hey,
Pop it.
okay. What?
Got comes home, he got like amazing remarks.
See this?
Now
See, I want to do it. Watch me, Carly. Ready?
Dad's gonna
Carly,
do
ready?
Oh yeah, Uncle
No,
Mark.
ready? Watch me, Carly. Ready? I'm telling you. Okay, that's okay. But I'm telling you, I learned from the best over here. Watch this. Ready? Yeah, I gotta hear the noise. See, thank you.
That was a
That
bubble.
was it. Okay, that's all I need.
Okay, now I'm on to my fourth bubble.
Girls, 2 minutes, that's all going away. I'm cleaning this all
Can you
up.
put that in my bag?
What? Yep.
Hey, grab a jacket.
I'm a very good at making slime bubbles. That's why I made one of them. Okay. Sorry guys, the camera just fell. My mom! No, he didn't. Last slime bubble. Carly, can you do the slime? Wait, I messed up. What? Technology. Wait, I'm stuck again. This is my last time, and Carly, can you lay it down for the next one?
Those are just like logs.
Yeah.
Okay, so my turn.
Carly has. Oh, yeah. So, guys, Carly's turn. She has 5 turns. I know. Okay. Don't want to get on her camera. Really bad. Okay, first one.
That's good, but I just learned and
Yeah, because I taught her today, so she might not be that good.
yeah, but like I'm good for a starter. Pretty good.
No, I needed to restart that. Carly, you can have more than me. You can have 7. She's gonna use all the slime because she's probably gonna make a very, very big slime. So that's what it is right now.
Okay.
That's one.
do that.
So, how much turns have you had?
3.
So, she has 4 more tries left because she's having 2 more than me.
Yeah, vote her, okay? But if you guys really think I'm good for a starter, just say so in the comments down below.
Comment down below. She's like, comment down below. Oh, it's getting ready. What was that?
Elephant.
Oh, there it is. It has to make a big one.
Yes!
No. She's like, I was like, yes! Then she's like, no. There's her swan. Okay. Go.
Do it! Aw, you messed me up.
Sorry. You can have an extra turn. Have 8 turns. So she has actually 3 more turns. How much time do you have left?
I'm at 5.
Okay, so I have 3 more. Here we go. There it is. She has 7. She has 2 more turns.
Alexa's a good singer.
Yeah, she is.
And we're going to show you some bubbles with some other slime. Too. 1 more turn. Okay. Dummy do this
No.
one for you?
Beat.
Make it.
No.
If you guys hear the music, comment down below if you hear the music. That's my brother on Alexa.
I'm just playing with it right now, trying to get it all ready.
All right, Cole,
Stop
stop that and gloves.
Okay, guys.
Moment of truth.
1 like.
Mix this.
Carly, you put that on YouTube?
No.
Are you?
Oh no.
I hope not.
Carly, you better not.
Okay. But we're just gonna film, but we're not gonna film like.
Don't put it on your.
Okay, she messed up on that one, so she's gonna do it again. And there's slime on it. Oh, I didn't even make a bubble. Bam! Last try! She made the one. Okay, what slime do you want to use now? Do you want to use this
No,
one?
I want. It'll be over.
Guys, I hope you subscribe and give it a big.
It's my channel. Okay, subscribe. Big thumbs up, and see you later.